Tuesday morning after the bank holiday. Just finished off the ACO. I've backfilled around the manhole and I've dropped the lid on. I've got to go inside and do some investigating, survey these steels, get them on order. I need to measure the length of that long steel. We've got 2 posts going in. See, I've marked the back of that post and I've come 20mm back to give myself a little bit of play. That's my measurement from the back of that post to the back of that one. That's a steel beam. The height and the width to see exactly what it is. And we know it's a 1127 universal beam. We need to go back to the engineer. He will tell us whether that's going to be okay. Load wise, I pulled the spotlight down on this side, joists are running that way. I've cut out next to it and I can see it up there as well. I've cut a section out over here and we've got joists running that way, and obviously I can put my phone up there with the light on and record and work out exactly where these are. So basically joists are running onto that steel, so we need to get the engineer to check whether that steel is going to be sufficient.
Hi Paul.
Hello mate, how you doing?
Not bad mate, how are you?
Yeah, good thanks. Just a quick one. Any chance we could strike it Monday afternoon?
No, off the top of my head.
Okay.
I'm actually on the way to the airport at the minute, mate. I'm going to Venice for a few days. Could you give Seth a call, mate? Have you got his number?
Yeah, I've got his number, yeah.
Yeah, give Seth a bell. He's in front of the... Well, should be in front of the...
Yeah, no
now.
worries. Alright, we'll do. Thanks, mate. Have a good time. Yeah, see you when you get back.
Yeah.
Time, mate.
Cheers, mate.
Bye.
Hello, mate.
Seth, right, mate?
How you doing?
Yeah, good. Yeah, I've just phoned Jack. He said to call you. He's away. Can you let me know if there's any chance of striking that scaffold in Basildon Monday afternoon?
Monday afternoon, yeah?
Yeah.
How much is there, mate?
Number 3.
I'll find out who put it up. I'll get it done.
Yeah, it's a 9 metres. Yeah?
Monday last thing, yeah?
Yeah, please, yeah. Alright, sweet. Alright, I'll book the window fit with Tuesday. Sweet, you're a legend. Thanks, mate.
Alright, no worries,
Cheers,
mate.
bye.
Bye, mate. Bye, mate. Paul, how you doing, mate? You alright?
Hello, Mark. You alright, mate?
Yeah, good.
Yeah, good. Monday's going to be a no-go.
Right, okay, mate. Alright, what I'll do is I'll do a bit of a shuffling around. When I get back, I'll go through my diary and move a few bits around and sort it out, mate. Yeah, it's alright. It's not a problem, mate. It's what it is, isn't it?
Yeah, wicked. Alright, mate. No worries.
Yeah, it's alright. Yeah, I'll sort it out, mate. It's not a problem. Don't sweat. I'll sort it out.
Yeah, sweet. Wicked.
No worries,
Alright.
mate. Not a problem, folks.
Cheers,
Speak to
mate.
you soon,
Speak to you in a bit.
Cheers,
Bye.
mate. Bye.
Oh no, just got reeled in. Only went there to get a pint of milk. Go and see how these renderers are getting on. When I left, they were just setting the beads on, using the base coat. They were just getting set up, knocking up a mix, so should be starting to get some on the wall soon. Shout. What's happening? Listen, it is Thursday morning. It's 8:30. I've been asked to jump on and run the ridge on this outbuilding that one of my pals has built. I was down David Lloyd's this morning. We done paddles 6 till 7:30. The shower, come out. I've had a Greg's sausage and bacon stick, flat white with an extra shot, and I am raring to go. There's 3 rows to put in on the back. I'll show you. 3 rows to put in on the back, and we've got to put an eave course in on both sides just to get the cover on the tiles. So my pal shot off to get 80 eaves, another bag of cement. We're getting the mix set up. I'm going to jump around the back, do the tiling, and then we'll have it. let's get down to business. Today we're doing the roof insulation. 100mm PIR board between the joists, and we've got 50mm below. I need to go to Fast Warm to pick up the underfloor heating ready for Monday. We've had a good day over here, knocked out probably 90% of that in between, which is great. There's only a little bit left to do. It's looking really nice and really bright, really spacious now.